Hello, this is Daryl for Wednesday, the 23rd of December 2015. This is the DE Market Summary. So, thank you so much for subscribing to our channel and viewing our videos. So, today we on a third straight day of a market rally. What a pleasant surprise for investors. So, what's our catalyst today? Well, today we have US data that has been the driving force for the markets. So we have the US data show that personal income increased for an 8th straight month in November. So that really is wonderful news because it's the US consumer that drives the US market, right? And it was a boost in spending for that year, for that month, actually, in November. So it was really good news. We also have the U.S. Treasury yields rose, the economic data supporting a swift pace in federal rate increase next year. So we had the increase here this year on the 16th of this month, and we got exactly what the market was looking for from Janet Yellen. So possibility is that there will be another rate increase next year to really support the growth that they're having now in the US market. So before the close, what we're looking at, so it's not exactly at the close right now, but we are thinking that as the market is trending, it's trending to in an upward trajectory, and so we think that it would close in positive today. And what we are looking at right now with the Dow Jones Industrial Average is 132.69 points gain to be 17,549.96. We have the S&P 500 rose 17.65 points, where it's now at 2,056.65. So very nice day, very nice day. And so this could be the rally that we usually have in December that is finally taking steam. Would it end as good as it usually does in December is yet to be seen, because we are only a number of days off at the end of the month. So let's see what happens, right? But today we had resource shares that were really leading the markets. Today we had Brent crude rose 3.1% today to $37.23 a barrel. We had the US crude prices jump 4.2% today to $37.65 a barrel. So as we announced yesterday, we are now starting to see a stabilization in the oil prices, and it is also helping the markets to really rally and to really produce some real good rises in the energy sector for sure, right? So will we continue to see this rally tomorrow? Right? We also had the U.S. crude inventories fell last week 5.88 million barrels to 484.78 barrels, and that happened last week. Right, and that was all part of the major carnage that we had in the oil markets here last week. This week, we are starting to see a trend upwards, a stabilization. Is this the bottom that we are all looking for in the energy markets? Well, it's left to be seen. But a number of people are starting to call this the bottom right now, as the US producers have laid off a number of workers. They have cut production. Therefore, there is not that much supply in the United States from oil, which is what should start happening, which stop the supply of oil to address the glut that there is in the market. There's also saying that next year there's going to be more demand for oil in the US. So then if they stop the supply, there's more demand. In theory, this should really help the price of oil, and it should really be trending its way back up, right? So hopefully this is the bottom, right? But we will see what happens tomorrow, right? Stay tuned. This is Daryl for the DE Market Summary. Have a good day.